Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry with the hybrid motor. It's a 2.4 with a hybrid system. Now we have the headlight here, and we're going to go over how you replace the headlight bulbs. So you've got the high beam headlight right here. This is the low beam or the daytime running light also, and this one right here is your blinker. And then we have a side marker light that's in here. So the high beam and the low beam, you are able to change them without removing the headlight assembly. And to remove that headlight assembly, you will also need to remove the bumper. But you can replace these two without doing that. Now, these two, there's not enough space back here for your hands to get in there to be able to replace the blinker or the side marker light. So you would need to remove the bumper to be able to replace those. So for ease of access, this is ready to be pulled away from the vehicle so that we can have a great view of how to change these light bulbs. So here we're around the back. We have them pulled away a little bit so you can see the access point. And like I said, if these two you can replace by reaching your hands down back here, and you can replace them, but we have it pulled away for easier to view. So this is the high beam light, and so to be able to remove that high beam, we want to undo the electric here by pressing the clip, and then once we've undid the electric, then we can twist this light a quarter turn to the right and be able to remove our light bulb. So we've removed this light bulb. This light bulb here for the high beam headlight is a 9005. We get our new 9005. To be able to replace that, you take the new one, and we're going to be putting it in like this, so it's kind of at a 45 that way. And you'll see that these tabs, one's smaller, the smaller one goes here, and the two larger are on the bottom. So that's really makes it that you can't put it in more than one way. We've installed it in there, then you can turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise, and then bring your electrical connector back up and connect that electric until it snaps. And that's how you replace your high beam headlight on your 2009 or 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.